Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can install Warzone on your PC, on Steam and Battlenet. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I will show you how you can do that on Battlenet. And then basically what you need to do here is to open a Battlenet, go shop. Then here you just need to write Call of Duty, right? And then you need to download this thing here, right? Play for free. And then you just need to press play for free and continue and download it, right? And once it's downloaded, first of all, now I will show you how you can do that on Steam, and then I will show you what you need to do here after you download everything and enter the game, right? So first step for Battlenet is here. Then on Steam, super similar, you just need to go to store, and then you just need to go on search and write Call of Duty, right? Call of Duty, and then you just need to put the age here, and you need to just download Call of Duty HQ, this one, right? And then you just need to, after it downloaded and installed to your computer, then you just need to enter the game, and then you just need to go to settings, then manage files, and then if Warzone is not installed, you just need to press install and install Warzone. And that's pretty much it what you need to do here. So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.